How to get back archived posts on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get back your archived post on Instagram. Firstly, open the app. If you have set your stories to be archived, then it will be saved in the archive automatically after it disappears from your story. But what about your post? Now, if you go to your profile and tap on the three dots, you will find the option archive. Now, if you tap on it, then a post will disappear from your profile and will be saved on archives. Now, how to get it back? Firstly, after you go to your profile, tap on the three-line icon that you can find on the top right of your screen. Here, you'll find the option archive and tap on it. You'll find the option post archive or story archive or live archive. Now basically it will be set to stories archive, and if you tap on it, then you'll get an option to go to or head over to post archive. Now here, tap on the post you want to get back and tap on the three dots. You'll get an option to show on profile. Tap on it and it will ask you for confirmation. Tap on show on profile and your post will be restored. And if you go back and reload it, you will find back here. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.